symptoms of a failing fuel pump, and how to replace it. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Auto V Fix, where we delve deep into all things automotive. If this is your first time here, make sure to hit the subscribe button so you won't miss out on all our automotive insights. Today we're discussing a crucial yet often overlooked component of your car, the fuel pump. This component, nestled in your fuel tank or engine bay, is responsible for delivering fuel from your tank to your engine. The fuel pump can be considered the heart of your vehicle. Just like the heart in our bodies pumps life-sustaining blood to our organs, the fuel pump delivers fuel, the lifeblood of your car, to the engine, enabling it to operate smoothly and efficiently. However, what happens when this essential part starts failing? The signs can vary widely, from mere nuisances to potentially dangerous scenarios on the road. In this video, we're going to delve into the details of the fuel pump. We'll explore its functionality, its importance to your vehicle, and also highlight some symptoms to look out for if it begins to fail. If you find yourself with a failing fuel pump, don't worry. We're also going to guide you through the process of replacing it. So, let's get started on understanding more about fuel pumps. The fuel pump is crucial in a car fueling system, with its primary role being to transport fuel from the tank to the engine under the right pressure, which ensures the engine runs smoothly. The process begins when you turn the ignition key. This triggers the fuel pump, which starts to move fuel from the tank to the engine. The fuel is then atomized, mixed with air, and introduced into the combustion chamber. Here, it's ignited to create the power that propels your vehicle. Therefore, a properly functioning fuel pump is vital for optimal vehicle performance. There are two main types of fuel pumps used in vehicles: mechanical and electric. Mechanical fuel pumps, largely found in older car models, are usually mounted on the engine block. They utilize the motion of the engine to create suction, drawing fuel from the tank to the engine. On the other hand, electric fuel pumps, common in modern vehicles, are often located inside the fuel tank. They operate based on an electrical control system. When the ignition is switched on, the fuel pump relay is activated, powering the pump. This system delivers a consistent pressure of fuel to the engine, regardless of the engine's speed. Each type of fuel pump has its unique advantages and specifications. The key to maintaining your vehicle's performance is understanding the type of pump your vehicle uses and recognizing when it may be experiencing problems. Symptoms of a failing fuel pump. A failing fuel pump can exhibit various symptoms, but it's crucial to remember that these symptoms can also indicate other problems in your vehicle. Let's go over some common signs. 1. Engine sputtering at high speeds. If your engine sputters or jolts during high-speed driving, it could indicate that your fuel pump is unable to supply a constant stream of fuel to the engine. 2. Decreased fuel efficiency. A failing pump might cause your vehicle to consume more fuel than usual, resulting in poor fuel economy. 3. Difficulty starting the engine. Trouble starting the engine might result from a fuel pump that's unable to adequately pressurize the fuel system. 4. The vehicle doesn't start. In extreme cases, a completely failed fuel pump won't be able to supply any fuel to the engine, preventing your car from starting altogether. 1. Power loss under stress conditions. If your vehicle loses power while climbing hills or hauling heavy loads, it could be a sign of a failing fuel pump struggling to supply enough fuel. 2. Car surges or jerks. Irregular resistance inside the fuel pump motor may cause voltage drops and spikes, leading to unpredictable surges or jerks in your vehicle's performance. 3. Noise in the fuel tank. A whining or buzzing noise from the fuel tank often suggests an issue with the fuel pump. 4. Check engine light comes on. While the check engine light can indicate numerous issues, a failing fuel pump is one possible cause. It's best to have the vehicle scanned for error codes to confirm the problem. Diagnosis of a failing fuel pump. A failing fuel pump requires prompt attention to prevent further damage. Here are some steps you can take to diagnose the problem. 1. Testing fuel pressure. A fuel pressure gauge can be used to determine if the pump is delivering fuel at the correct pressure. 2. Inspecting the fuel pump relay and fuse. A blown fuse or a faulty relay can interrupt power to the pump, causing it to behave erratically or stop working. 3. Examining fuel lines and filters. Leaks in the fuel lines or a clogged fuel filter can affect fuel pressure and mimic symptoms of a failing fuel pump. It's crucial to inspect these components to ensure they're functioning correctly. Dangers and consequences of a failing fuel pump. A. Risk to engine and vehicle performance. A failing fuel pump can result in insufficient fuel supply to the engine, leading to a lack of power, misfiring, or complete engine shutdown. It affects the overall vehicle's performance and can lead to costly engine damage if not addressed promptly. B. Safety risks. While driving, unexpected engine failure or loss of power can create hazardous driving situations, especially at high speeds or in heavy traffic. It can lead to accidents, posing significant safety risks to the driver and other road users. How to replace a failing fuel pump. Tools and materials needed. Gather all required tools such as wrenches, screwdrivers, a jack, a fuel pressure gauge, and a new fuel pump. Make sure to consult your vehicle's manual for specific tools. Safety precautions. Always follow safety guidelines like wearing eye protection, disconnecting the battery, and working in a well-ventilated area. Disconnecting the battery. Remove the negative battery cable to ensure safety while working on the fuel system. Relieving the fuel system pressure. Use the proper method to relieve pressure from the fuel system, usually by removing a fuse and starting the engine until it dies. Removal of the old fuel pump. Here is what to do. 1. Accessing the fuel pump. This might require removing the fuel tank or accessing through an interior panel. 2. Disconnecting and removing the fuel pump. Disconnect all connections and carefully remove the old pump. Installing the new fuel pump. To do this, 1. Align and secure the new pump according to your vehicle's specifications. 2. Reconnect all hoses, wires, and reattach the fuel tank if removed. Testing the new fuel pump. Start the vehicle and check for proper pressure and any leaks. Prevention and maintenance tips for fuel pump. 1. Regularly change the fuel filter. Changing the fuel filter at recommended intervals can enhance the lifespan of the pump. 2. Avoid running on a low gas tank. Running on a near-empty tank can strain the pump. 3. Periodic inspection. Regular inspections by a professional can detect early signs of wear or failure. A well-functioning fuel pump is vital for your vehicle's performance and your safety on the road. Understanding the symptoms of a failing fuel pump, how to replace it, and preventive measures can help maintain optimal vehicle operation. Regular maintenance and being vigilant for signs of trouble can prolong the life of your fuel pump, keeping your car running smoothly and safely. And that is it for this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.